Oh yeah, gang, what's up? You already know. Lights, camera, action, baby. It's another video right here coming at you from your boy Charger 17 3.0. You probably like, why are we still looking? What are we looking at? Looking at this right here. Those. Last time you gonna see them looking like that. Yeah, today's video, hold on. Today's video, it's about putting this on there. It's gonna give it that crazy look. It's gonna look nice. With that said, I'm gonna move this car up so I can have it on a flat surface so it don't be, you already know it's low, but so it don't be, it'll be up higher than where it's at right now. With that said, I'm gonna give you guys that co-star. Oh, by the way, check out that. Got the Scat Pack look on my remotes. If you ain't checked that video out already, check that video out too, y'all. Look at that. Got my YouTube name on my windows. Bottom down there, you saw that one probably. Let's get that co-start. I don't know if you saw the car move. The car moved. Look at that. Look at that. So much power. The car moved. Listen to it. Listen to the active exhaust right there. It's about to change once it gets to a settle mode. Yeah. About to change, y'all. Look at that. We out here. You already know we about to lay down that. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys the detail of laying that down. It's gonna be my first time laying it down. Hold on. Y'all already heard it. Ooh. Yeah, it's about to be my first time laying it down. So it's gonna be straight raw video. I might, I'm gonna start on this side because this is where the Scat Pack at. So I'm gonna start on this side, but when I get to this side, it's gonna be spedded up, okay? So you're gonna understand that you watch the install on this side, sped up on this side, and that'd be pretty much the video right there, y'all. But other than that, I'm about to move the car up, like I said, to this nice little decent area I got. Look at the fall right here. Should I make a video of me cleaning the backyard, getting the leaves into a pile, or blowing them to the front of my house so they can pick it up? What y'all think? Comment below. Comment in the comment just down there. You let me know. I should do a video, right? Of me doing this with the blower. Should I do a video of me doing this? Look at all these leaves. And you still got more to fall. Still got more. From that tree to all the way up there. This one not even finished right here. This one not finished. But look at all this. Look at all this. Y'all let me know. Comment down there. Let me know if you guys want a video of me doing this. And nobody comment, you ain't gonna see no video. Who knows? I might just do it anyway without you guys commenting. But yeah, I'm about to lay this down. Get this all looking crazy looking. As you know, I like that orange, y'all. Y'all should have known I like that orange when I did those mats in my car. Y'all should have known that. I like that Hemi orange. With that said, we're gonna get this video rolling and smacking bowling. No, I don't even know what I'm saying right there, y'all. Tell you the truth. Alright guys, about to get the prep started. You guys gonna watch it from prepping it to laying it down, and yeah, we go from there until you see the finished product. So it says use heat gun. Once detail process is on, got my heat gun here. Because I get so much, sorry, still got prep stuff here, alcohol. I ain't bringing out the missing stuff there because you know guys, I use that a lot. Those guys, probably if they saw these videos, they probably like, man. But I got my, I don't even know. Yeah, I probably got it. I can use it. Use my little squeezy here. Scraper thing. These come in handy, y'all, because you can still get some replacements and take these off, put them back on. Like I said, this came from Lux. When I do my headlights, side markers, and my tail lights, a lot of this stuff is a Lux product here. But this is not Lux product. Like I said, I'm gonna have it in the description for my towel light. Got my towel in my pocket here. Got a clean towel. On the car. Exactly, the car looks like it's, you guys already know, far as distance, I ain't about to clean this thing up. Sorry, it's dirty, it's what it is. It's the type of year around here in nature. Spray it good enough. I probably could pop this out, but I want to show you guys that it could probably be done with it attached to the car. This is the prepping it. Prep. Alcohol, so it dries pretty fast out here in the air once it hits. Like a bug or something. Bugs. It's not meant to clean bugs, so we ain't out here cleaning bugs. Ain't that type of video. So, here you guys go. So you guys can see what I'm working with. They do label the sides, what you gotta use it for, and stuff here. Let's say right, left. This is crazy. Oh, so this is this side for it. Wow, is this the left side? Driver's side is the left side. You see, when you're facing, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. So this is the left side, okay? So if by any chance you guys are doing this yourselves at home, you come across this video looking to see how you do this. Who knows, maybe some other videos out there, but the right side is for the passenger side. That's explanatory. And the left, the L on there is for the driver's side, okay? So, I don't know how this is gonna work. Hope that don't fly away, because I'm not out here. Getting off everything, so I'm good. There you go. Always make sure you're doing something like these decals. Make sure the surface is really white, good, clean, good, so you guys don't have to worry. Pillage. Like I said, pillage. I don't know. I got to use that. on. Heat up my area. I don't know, I'm just heating this up. You don't really gotta do this. I'll just heat it up because, yo, I don't know if I want to start. Like I said, I got minus up. You guys about to see this for real. So it says do use the heat gun, okay? That's why the heat gun is out here. Because first of all, I'm gonna get it. Ooh, first time getting something down like this, y'all. Boy charges 17. See pretty good. It is on there pretty good. I'm gonna finish what I'm gonna say, finish making sure this is all very good before I just let it be and work on the other one. This is nice. Wow, really nice. here, guys. You see it? It's already looking flushy, crazy, yo. I'm telling you. Ooh. I'm standing back, kind of far back too. Give it that. New start with this orange and black. It was like a beginning with the other car, but like I said, I didn't want to change the grill on the other one. Yeah, let me see something here. Let me see something, y'all. Let me see something real fast here. Let me see something. Let me see something. Let me give y'all something that y'all ain't know right here. You see that? See that? This is only in the daytime. So nighttime is not going to do nothing. It's just going to stay like that. But it's not the glow. Did I get the reflected? Nah. I don't think so. I don't remember. I gotta look. But anyway, it's going to be in the description what I got here. You guys are looking at my snorkels on my Scat Pack 2020. Normal body. You know, look at that. Like I said, this charge 17. We're still going up. 2020. Catch you guys on the next vlog. On the next vlog. Or review. Turn these lights off. Woo. You already know. Catch you guys on the next vlog. Review. Stay tuned to wherever I keep putting out. Because I'm telling you, even though climate is changing, but we can still keep doing something out here. For real. With that said, I'm out. And in the video, you guys are looking at my snorkels orange now. How you say? Look good, right? Awesome. Peace, everyone. Like and subscribe. Thumbs up. You know, definitely thumbs up. Comment free will. Share these videos, y'all. Share these videos. You know, definitely share the videos. I'm out. Like I said, Turn 17 3.0. Peace, everyone.